Enda yanduna. It is what it is. You're still staying safe, sanitizing, making sure that you're staying safe. Ngor corona. It's a dinner, man. But mapunga si hayo. Mapunga rako now ni mapunga ring. You know, there's this artist that I want you guys to really look out for. The artist in the Vusi Alphaa, man. He recently dropped the track called Gombera, featuring Yellow. It's available also on the digital stores. Again, now I just saw they're also shooting a music video for that track, Chigombera, which looks so perfect, man. It looks so good, looks so dope. I'm proud to see things like that, man. Like, yo, guys, man, it's out of this world. So I want you guys to check out this guy. I want you to take a look and also listen to Vusi Alphaa. It's one artist that I see, Uri. It really, really needs attention. 2021, this guy is putting in work, man. He's putting in work. Levels, man. Come on. So I'm hoping you're going to take your time and you're going to check out Vusi Alphaa, because he's the artist I say you need to look out for in 2021. Chikombera featuring Yellow, it's also out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the link on the description of the track. You can also purchase it. You know what I mean? And that was that. I'm out of here. Nah.